Alright guys, about to do a little unboxing. I went out and I bought this from Lowe's. Kobalt 24 volt 1/2-inch impact wrench. So, let's see how she does on the car today. Let's get it. Some stats for you. Man, this thing is beefy. That thing's beefy. Oh man. This thing's fucking heavy. Let's see. Charger. You got the heavy duty battery. And it comes with the bag. That's everything that comes in the box, guys, with the Kobalt 1/2-inch impact. Let me show you what this thing can do, guys. I'm about to take it outside and work on the car a little bit. Alright guys, so here it is out of the box. And I can tell you guys that I frickin' love this thing so far. I've been using it the past couple projects of mine, and this thing is amazing. So to demonstrate how good this thing is, I'm gonna take off the lug nuts on my car, show you how it does with that. And I'm gonna be upgrading the sway bar links in the rear because I bought a new sway bar and adjustable end links for the front. So I might as well replace the end links in the rear if I'm gonna be replacing everything in the front. So let me show you how well this gun takes off these lug nuts. It is a 21mm socket, lefty loosey. And we do have a full battery, if you guys can see. I'm not really sure. We do have a full battery. Like I'm in a NASCAR pit crew. Love this thing. No more stupid 4-ways taking forever to take the lugs off. It's great. So I'll put these in the cap so they don't disappear on me. Yeah, this thing is amazing, guys. This thing has saved me a couple of times already, and well worth the investment. I'm glad I got it. I think I picked it up for about $170-ish, give or take. I think it was on sale when I went to Lowe's, and there was only 3 left in the store. The guy had to go up into the rafters just to get this for me because there wasn't any left on the shelves. So I got lucky on that one. But this thing is sweet, guys. If you have the money in your budget to pick yourself up one of these bad boys, I suggest it. Make your life a lot easier. Alright, and as you guys can see, that bushing doesn't look very healthy anymore. Wow, and also the bushings on my sway bar are shot, so I'm going to be replacing those, and hopefully that'll tighten up the feel of the back end a little bit. Alright guys, so it looks like it's a 14mm on these nuts. Like nothing. Jack up the suspension so I can get that bolt out. Alright, finally. Got that bolt out. Sweet. The old one is out. So guys, as you saw, this thing is a beast. Any old bolts stand no chance with this thing. 650 foot-pounds of torque. This thing is taking off anything that you need to get off on the car. So I highly suggest you go out and pick yourself up one of these. It'll definitely help you out around the shop or tinkering around with your cars or anything else that you like to mess around with mechanically. So you can pick one of these up at Lowe's. Kobalt, it's Lowe's brand. Definitely suggest it. I think this thing's a beast. So, until next time, guys, check out my other videos. Peace out.